You wake, you dipshit.
Nice one, asshat.
What?
Dipshit, really?
What's wrong with dipshit?
It looks like I'm in quite a bind here, literally. While these two blockheads bicker with each other, I'll plan my escape. I just gotta kill time for 11 minutes, 32 seconds. More than enough time to butcher these fools, and exactly how long it'll take for the password to reset.
What's the password?
Yeah. Tell us the fucking password or I blow your goddamn brains out.
Whoa, Joey. Like, bring it down to like a 6 right now, bro. You're like,
A 6?
You're at like 11.
I am at a 6
No,
right
you're
now.
at 11.
I clock one exit, 15 feet out. Big one with the gun. I'll take him out first. About 40 seconds until my hands are untied. Shoot out the lights, single out the other one, and give it a minute 30 all in all. I've done it in less time.
Shit, it's the ball. I gotta take this. Watch him.
I'll watch it.
Give me one.
Watch it better than you watch it.
Shut up.
Showtime.
Psst.
Come here. Can I tell you a secret?
Sure.
I'm gonna bust out of here. There's nothing you can do about it. And you'll never get that password. The funny thing is, it's right on the tip of your tongue.
You're trying to do one of those Jedi mind tricks on me, aren't you? Now let me tell you, pal, it ain't gonna work. That's happened to me 3 too many times for it to work now. My mind, it's as strong as a brick.
I didn't tell you how. See, while you and your friend over there were bickering, I was untying these knots. Which, by the way, who the hell taught you how to tie a knot?
My granny.
See, what's gonna happen? I'm gonna bust out. I'm gonna break her hands, and then I'm gonna feed that gun of yours to your mouth. Then I'll make quick work of your friend over there. I'm gonna go after the guy that's getting bagels. And then, coming after your boss.
You're not coming after our boss. Our boss is already in your HQ. You guys are dick deep in killers. Real scary killers. Killers I'm scared of. The killers you don't want to fuck with. The killers that will kill you. They're really killy killers.
Don't worry, backup's only 2 minutes out. I eat shits like you for breakfast.
You eat shit?
Carl, Joey, how's it going?
Yeah, it's going good, sir. We got the password. We'll have it in no time.
Well, you got 5 minutes, bub.
Yep, no worries. We got it. Yeah, he's eating out the palm of our hand, I swear.
They are eating out of the palm of my hand. Hands free. Just need to provoke him. You guys really think you'd win? You guys are scum. You guys are nothing. I once escaped out of a burning hospital with nothing but a defibrillator and a My Little Pony backpack. I, Lance Griffin, saved the day. Because that's what heroes
I gotta call you back.
What the fuck did you do?
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Jesus, Joey, what the hell? We didn't even get the password yet!
I'm sorry, I sneezed.
You sneezed! Are you fucking kidding me? We're dead!
Oh,
Damn it, he got a bullet in his fucking skull! Oh,
God damn it!
shit! Shit!
Oh shit, we're fucking dead. We're dead. We're dead. Oh my god. Do you think we can still ask him? Ah shit. Oh god.
Do I think we can still ask him?
Yes!
Are you serious?
Yes, I'm serious! Can we... Or maybe he's not fully dead. Maybe he still has like a little bit of life in him. He can tell us the password.
Nope! He's dead, Joey! He's fucking dead!
Oh shit!
Damn it!
Oh shit, Carl! Oh god! Oh, oh god! Oh,
Okay, calm down. Calm down.
oh,
We can...
yes.
Shut... Hey, we can figure it out. We can figure it out. Okay? I need you. Listen to me.
So selfish.
Listen to me. I need you to go search the body for clues for the password.
Why do I have to search the body, huh?
Because you shot him in the fucking head.
Carl, you know I get around blood.
You better fucking get over it before I put a bullet in your damn skull.
Shit. I have an idea. What if we took the brain parts, you know, we scooped them up and then we just stuffed it in there.
Don't give me that damn gun!
That's a good idea. Shoot me.
Shoot where? In the ass?
No. I was just like in the arm or something. We'll hide the body. We'll make it. We'll make it seem like he shot me and then he got away, and then we'll hide the body after you shoot me.
How are you going to move the body if you've already been shot?
What was?
Please, idiot! Fuck!
I'm sorry.
It should have been you.
It should have been you.
I should kill you right now.
Oh, come on, man. We don't need to do this. It's
Not another step.
Carl, please.
Hey guys, we got bagels.
Mikey, hey. So this is not what it looks like. We can explain everything.
Joey, shot the dude in the head.
Dude,
What you did?
Okay, I sneezed and the gun went off and the bullet went through his head.
We got the password and an extra bagel. Nice job, guys.
We have an
How's
extra
the boss
bagel?
feel about it? Feeling good? I should probably just go.
No.
The boss is gonna want to know. Okay, I gotta tell him.
Yeah, no, we're trying to totally. Oh, fuck! Oh my God, you! Oh,
Dumbass bitch. Oh, no. How does it feel, huh? You shot someone now, huh? How do you feel?
Shut up, or I'll shoot you next. Keep searching. Take the damn gun.
1 for 1. We're tied, dipshit.
Go move this on. Hey, boss. How's your day going?
Well, one of my men hung up on me mid-conversation, so I'm a bit impatient. Please tell me that you have the password.
Yeah. Well, sorta. No.
Why not?
Lance, the super spy. Yes, he's got a bit of a headache. Yeah.
A headache.
Uh-huh.
Need I remind you that I can't unlock the terminal on my end unless you enter the password on yours. And if I can't get the password before it resets, all of this goes to crap. Utter dog crap. Utter unpick-upable dog crap. So you better get that numbskull, Joey, to get the password out of him, or it's your heads and I send those killers after you. So please tell me that you're torturing him.
Oh no, yeah, for sure. Like big torture, big time. Yeah, Joey's bashing his head in. Yeah, he's nearly dead.
Good. Can I listen?
I'm sorry. What was that, sir?
Can I listen? It's been too long since I've heard a good torture.
Yeah, sure. Just one second.
Glorious. Now get back to work!
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes, don't worry about it. We're moving quick.
Freeze! Get your ass over there. Agent Susan Sarandon with the FBI.
Wait, isn't the actress?
Coincidence, asshole. Oh my God. Sir, it's worse than we thought. They killed Agent Griffin and the Bagel Boy. They're professional.
Mrs. Sarandon, Susan, honest man. I just want to say we are not.
Shut up! Is he on the phone? Get off the fucking ground!
We're not professional at all. Okay, whoa.
Get on the fucking ground!
Are you
Put the gun down! I'll fucking shoot you! Put your fucking gun down! Put the fucking gun down! On the ground! Kneel on the ground! Put the fucking gun down and get down on your knees! Really?
Dude, seriously?
That's a bit melodramatic, dear.
This is exactly what I'm talking about.
Goodbye, asshole!
Raindrops keep falling on my head.
Oh my gosh. Oh.
I think I'm invincible.
Fuck, Joey!
Oh,
Find the
shit.
password!
What the hell is going on over there? Hurry up with the damn password!
Joey! No, yeah. We're seconds away.
Do you know his real name was Walton?
Really?
Hendrick.
Really?
Well,
Try Wally Rocks with 3 X.
Okay. Try Wally Rock. 3 X's.
damn it, it didn't work. Turn up the torture and get the
Yeah. Try another one. Don't.
Try Griffin Slayer 69.
Try Griffin Slayer 69.
That didn't work.
Funny thing is, it's right on the tip of your tongue.
I got it. It was on the tip of his tongue. It's password.
I know. We need the password.
No, the password is password.
The password is password.
That doesn't seem very smart.
Try password now. Try it now.
We're in. With seconds to spare. Good work, boys. Very well done.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Yeah, we'll. Hello? Hello?
Do you want to grab a slice?
Yeah, sure. I could eat.
Walter? What the hell was his name? I don't care. Do you think Susan and I could have had a thing? No. Well, I think we could have. I think we would have. Pretty cute. She's pretty short. Also, you're paying.
Fuck!